In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in a shape in Figma. This is a fantastic way to enhance your designs and add a creative flair to your projects. So let's dive right in and transform your design skills with this simple yet impactful technique. First things first, you need to log into Figma, open your browser and head over to figma.com/login. Once you're there, you'll want to log in using your Gmail account or your own email and password. This will take you to your Figma workspace where all your design projects are housed. Now that we're logged in and ready to go, we need to open the specific Figma file we want to work with. Navigate through your files and select the one where you want to incorporate an image into a shape. This is where the fun begins. Next, we'll create a shape within your Figma file. On the left hand side of your screen, you'll find various shape tools like the rectangle, ellipse, and even more complex shapes if you need them. Choose a shape tool and draw your desired shape on the canvas. Let your creativity guide you. Whether it's a simple rectangle or a more intricate form, ensure it serves your design's purpose. Once you have your shape, it's time to fill it with an image. To do this, look to the right sidebar where you'll see the fill property listed under the properties panel for your selected shape. This is the area where you control what fills your shape, be it a color or, in our case today, an image. With the fill option visible, click on the color swatch next to it. A menu will pop up and you'll want to select image from this menu. You'll notice that this prompts your computer's file browser to open up, allowing you to choose the image you want to place within the shape. Browse through your files and select the image you wish to use. Once you've made your choice, click the Open button. Now your selected image will appear within the shape, literally filling it up and blending with your design seamlessly. But what if the image doesn't quite fit the way you envisioned? No worries. Figma offers a variety of fill options to ensure your image looks just right. In the fill settings, you can choose between fill, fit, crop, and tile. Experiment with these options to see what best fits your design, whether it's stretching the image to cover the entire shape, or cropping it to focus on certain details. And there you have it, you've successfully placed an image within a shape in Figma. This technique not only makes your design stand out, but also adds a layer of professionalism and creativity that's sure to impress. Don't forget to save your work, and keep exploring to see how this can enhance other aspects of your design projects.